Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Eyelashes and I bring to you easy breezy makeup tutorials. Today I bring to you this very fall inspired cut and crease eye makeup, and it's extremely easy. Trust me, it's a use of one pencil and one eyeshadow palette, and I absolutely love yellow color. So I thought, why not use these vibrant colors and make you see how easy it is to use even loud colors and make it look subtle. Apart from that, please do like, share and subscribe. If you're new here, please subscribe and do not forget to hit the bell icon. I come with easy tutorials every Tuesday, and we go ahead and begin with this amazing eye makeup today. The first step always being the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and we will go ahead and highlight under our brow bone. And then I'm going to pull it down over my eyelids as well, because it's the same concealer I'll be using on my eyelids. You know, highlighting under the brow bone always gives you a very nice effect once the eye makeup is done. Here I'm blending it all over. Now I'm taking a blending brush. This has no powder, nothing. It's just blending the concealer and setting it over the eye. You can remove any excess out of your eyebrows with your fingers if need be. Now I'll take my Charlotte Tilbury setting powder and go ahead and use the same blending brush and set over my eyelids as well. This right here is MAC eyeshadow, and it's in matte shade. Matte shade means it has no shimmer. We are going to use this pencil brush and we go ahead and line the cut and crease first. I like placing the darker shadow first so it blends very well. Very slowly, guys, take your time in blending. This is real time. I have not, edited or done nothing to my video. I am slowly and steadily building the color and also making a V in the outer corner. I love lifted eye effect. It just makes your face look slightly slimmer and taller. I'm going to pull it outward and upward. Very slowly, guys. You need to build it up very slowly. Now I'm going to just take a tissue paper and rub off the excess eyeshadow from my eyeshadow brush. And with the same brush, I'm going to go in and just blend out whatever eyeshadow I have placed there before. Taking a pencil brush and this eyeshadow palette in Coral Obsession by Huda Beauty, I'm going to take the red color right there and place it over the brown that I had placed. This is going to be slightly on the brown and above the brown. You see that how I have to lift my eyelid and then go and cover up all the spaces right there. I'm taking the red over the brown color. This is how you create the cut and crease, and you'll see that little shadow on top. Now I'm going to take a clean blending brush again and just blend out everything that I've placed there. This is a clean blending brush with no products on it. Now we take the same Coral Obsession palette and take these two lighter peach and orange color with that blending brush we used earlier and place it over the red. This is all shading and building up the color. Take your time, guys, take your time. Blend it out. Now I'm going to take this color right here and place it in the crease line to deepen the socket a little. Cut and crease is all about shadow and light and dark effect. So that is what we are trying to create here. You need to play with colors to understand this. You need to understand which color blends well with what. And here I'm going and highlighting in this, darkening the outer corner as well. Slightly go up, and you see the movement of the brush is in and out, in and out, in and out. It's not round, it is just in and out. Again, the blending brush that we used earlier, and we're going to blend it out. There is no product on that blending brush. Now we're going to take the Mircella cleaning water, take a brush, place it on a tissue paper that has the water there, and very slightly create the cut there. This is to take off any excess eyeshadow that had fallen on the eyelid and to give you a very sharp cut and crease effect. The brush has very minimalistic Mircella water. It is just on the tissue paper. I'm just dabbing it on it and then wiping it away. I know I look a little serious, but you know, cut and crease is such a serious job. It needs to be so precise. I'm going over my eye crease and creating that line. You see that? Just over. And I've taken off all the fallen eyeshadow. Now I'm going to take the Shape Tape again with a very clean pointy brush and place it nicely in the crease line, very carefully. This is where I stop breathing, I think. Very carefully, very, very carefully. And dab it on. Just dab it there, place it there. I love this effect. I love how clean the cut and crease looks like this. If you're new to cut and crease, use the dabbing motion. You can just dab, dab, dab instead of pulling and, creating straight lines. You just, go in the crevices and just go dab. The dabbing effect is always more helpful when you're new to eye makeup, especially for beginners trying cut and crease for the first time. I'm also going to place a little concealer in the inner corner because that is where I'm going to place the yellow eyeshadow as well. The white under any light color just pushes the color and enhances it more. And now I'm going to set it with my setting powder and the same brush we used earlier. This is a yellow eye pencil by Fenty Beauty. It's a very beautiful yellow shade. I'm going to start very close to my lash line first, and then I'm going to pull it up towards the crease. I'm going to take it in the inner corner and pull it down where I applied the concealer before. And just like that, the yellow is there. When you do any eye makeup, you have to have a lot of patience. Initially, it will take you longer, then the time slot becomes, shorter. But initially, you have to be very careful, take it slow. When you're, around the colors, go very easy. You don't want to mix all the colors into each other. And there you see the definition of the cut and crease. And the intensity of the yellow will increase because we're going to place an eyeshadow on top of that as well. Just fill in all the gaps that you see. Here is the same Coral Obsession palette by Huda Beauty. I'm going to take the yellow and place it over the eye pencil there. This is just to give it a matte and a pop effect with that yellow shade. I'm very careful towards the crease, if you can see. Now I'm going to lift it up so I don't mess it up and place the color right there. Do you see the motion? I'm dabbing it in. Just dab it in. Now I'm going to take the same darker shade that we had used for the outer corner and blend the yellow and the outer corner. I'm going to be taking the darker color into yellow, but you always need to remove the excess eyeshadow before and then just blend the two. Now I'm going to take it slightly in the under lashes also because we are not going to use any darker color in the lower lash. So we're going to have the powder shadow right there. And also in the crease line, I am just blending it all in, making it look sharper and nicer. I'm going to take the same blending shades we had used earlier and use it in the lower lash line as well. We take a clean crease, that's an angled brush. This is for the crease right there. We're going to take the red color we used earlier and we're going to just sharpen it a little just in case some lines were not clean enough. Do you see that? It just gives a very, very beautiful effect. It's also important how you hold your angled brush. When I come in the inner corners, they are facing downward. And then when I go upward, they're facing upward. This just takes care of any uneven edges around the crease right there. Beautiful, right? I'm gonna now go ahead and use my Urban Decay eye pen. This is one of the smoothest eye pens I have used in a long, long time. You can customize the eyeliner according to however you like. The eyeshadow and the cut and crease are more important in this look, but I love an eyeliner, so I'm going to go in the inner corner and then I'm going to go and create a full winged eyeliner. Completing the look with eyelashes. And now I'm going to use this eye pencil by MAC in Teddy shade and just go in the lower waterline. Like I said, we're just creating a shadow effect. I'm not going to make my under eyes dark. And right there, just giving it a lovely shadow effect. You know, under eyes need something, I think, otherwise they look very dull. Now I'm going to take the shimmer shade. I'm not taking any white highlighters. I'm taking the same family in a peachy and an orangey shade shimmer and placing it right there. You see how the gradient works when you place a shimmer shade in the same family. The final touch, my mascara. You can make your eyeliner thick, you can put in double the size of eyelashes, you can customize this look however you want. This is how I love it. Beautiful. I love this eyeshadow shade. Here are these beautiful fall-inspired cut and crease eye makeup. I love yellow. I hope you love this too. If you like this video, please do like and share. Subscribe now, guys, and also hit the bell icon for your future videos. I come with new videos and very easy videos every Tuesday. Until next Tuesday, take care. See you soon and be safe. Bye-bye.